CVMC, ECE, NMMC, EEE. Unit 4, Vector Differentiation. Lesson 7. Problem 14. Evaluate div F bar and curl F bar at the point 1, 2, 3 given. Number 1, F bar is equal to x square yz I bar plus xy square z j bar plus xy z square k bar. Solution. Given F bar is equal to x square yz I bar plus xy square z j bar plus xy z square k bar. Div F bar del dot F bar is equal to, according to procedure, dou by dou x of I bar coefficient of F bar x square yz plus dou by dou y of j bar coefficient xy square z plus dou by dou z of xy z square k bar coefficient is equal to yz constant, x square derivative 2x. So 2xyz. Here xz constant with respect to y square derivative 2y. So this is also 2xyz. Z square derivative 2z. So this is also 2xyz is equal to 6xyz at 1, 2, 3 divergence F bar del dot F bar. Put x is equal to 1, y is equal to 2, z is equal to 3. 36. Second problem. F bar is equal to 3x square I bar plus 5x y square j bar plus 5xy z cube k bar. Third problem. F bar is equal to grad x cube y plus y cube z plus z cube x minus x square y square z square. First you find the grad. You take this one as f, grad, you find grad f, that is nothing but f bar. Then find divergence curl of f bar. Do these problems. Homework. Point is same, 1, 2, 3. Point is same. For these problems also, 1, 2, 3. Curl F bar is equal to del cross F bar. Do homework. Do homework. Point is same. Problem 15. if a bar is equal to x plus y plus 1 into y bar plus j bar minus bracket x plus y k bar, show that a bar dot curl a bar is equal to 0. Solution. Curl a bar determined. First row I bar, j bar, k bar. Second row dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z. Third row in a bar I bar, j bar, k bar coefficients. X plus y plus 1, here 1, here minus x, minus y. So I bar into expanding, deleting, excluding this round column, we get dou by dou y of minus x minus y. Partial derivative with respect to y, we get minus 1. Partial derivative of 1 with respect to z, 0. Minus j bar into x derivative, minus x derivative with respect to x, minus 1. Z derivative with respect to z, x plus y plus 1 derivative 0. Plus k bar into dou by 1 derivative with respect to x, 0. Y derivative x plus y plus 1 derivative with respect to y. So minus 1. This is equal to minus I bar plus j bar minus k bar. So f bar dot curl a bar is equal to, what is f bar? X plus y plus 1 into I bar plus j bar minus of x plus y k bar dot minus I bar plus j bar minus k bar is equal to I bar coefficients minus x, minus y, minus 1. J bar multiplying j bar coefficients plus 1. Multiplying k bar coefficients. Dot product formula. X plus y minus and minus plus x plus y. All are cancelled, we get 0. Problem 16. Show that each of the following vectors are solenoidal. First bit minus x square plus yz into y bar plus 4y minus z square x into j bar plus 2xz minus 4z into k bar. So what is solenoid vector? Divergence f bar is equal to 0, then f bar is called solenoid vector. So divergence is 0, automatically that vector is solenoidal. So there is no name for this vector, name it. F bar is equal to minus x square plus yz I bar plus 4y minus z square x j bar plus 2xz minus 4z k bar. Now divergence or del dot, symbolically del dot f bar, divergence f bar, whatever it may be. Dou by dou x of I bar coefficient minus x square plus yz, dou by dou y of j bar coefficient 4y minus z square x plus dou by dou z of k bar coefficient 2xz minus 4z is equal to partial derivative with respect to x minus 2x plus yz constant 0 to 0, need not write. Partial derivative with respect to y plus 4, that is 0. Partial derivative with respect to z 2z, 2x constant, z derivative 1 minus 4. So minus 2x plus 4 plus 2x minus 4 cancel, we get 0. Divergence f bar 0 means therefore f bar is solenoidal vector by definition. By definition. Second problem. 3y power 4 z square I bar plus 4x cube z square j bar plus 3x square y square k bar. Homework. Problem 70. Problem 70. If V bar is equal to capital R bar by R, then show that divergence V bar is equal to 2 by R, curl V bar is equal to 0. Solution. Already we know R bar is xi bar plus yj bar plus zk bar. What is small r? Mod R bar. Root over x square plus y square plus z square. Squaring on both sides. R square is equal to x square plus y square plus z square. Differentiating partially with respect to x. Differentiating partially with respect to x. R square derivative 2r. R is a function of x, y, z. So dou r by dou x is equal to x square derivative 2x plus 0 plus 0. So with respect to x, y constant, with respect to x, z constant. Constant derivative is 0. You need not write. 2 cancel. Dou r by dou x is equal to x by r. Similarly, dou r by dou y is equal to y by r. Dou r by dou z is equal to z by r. Now V bar is equal to R bar by R is equal to xi bar plus yj bar plus zk bar by R. Separating, V bar is equal to x by R I bar plus y by R j bar plus z by R k bar. Separating. Now you write divergence V bar, del dot V bar. What is the rule? Procedure? Dou by dou x of I bar coefficient x by R plus dou by dou y of y j bar coefficient plus dou by dou z of k bar coefficient. So you need not write all. You use sigma notation. In smaller problems, better to use sigma notation. Easy method. So sigma dou by dou x of x by r. Sigma use r is a function of x, y, z. X with respect to x. So u by v formula. V into r into x derivative 1 minus x into r derivative dou r by dou x by v square means r square is equal to sigma r minus x into x by r. Dou r by dou x is x by r by r square. This is equal to sigma. Take LCM. R square minus x square by r into r square, r cube. Now you expand sigma, that is very important one. You write for this term as it is, r square minus x square by r cube, plus you write r term as it is. Instead of x square you write y square. After x we get y. That is the reason. You write remaining r square term as it is. After y we get z. This is the way of expanding the sigma. R cube LCM, r square plus r square plus r square, 3r square minus common it, x square plus y square plus z square is equal to 3r square minus, this is nothing but r square by r cube, 3r square minus r square, 2r square by r cube, r cancel, 2 by r. Now we have to find curl V bar, del cross V bar, determined according to procedure. First row is I bar, J bar, K bar. Second row dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z. Third row you write I bar coefficient here, that is x by r, y bar coefficient y by r, K bar coefficient z by r. Actual procedure is expand 3 by 3 determined according to intermediate level. But here smaller is there, that's why better to use sigma notation. Sigma expand this. I bar, you write first step only. Dou by dou y of z by r minus dou by dou z of y by r is equal to sigma I bar. With respect to y, z is constant, so let z 1 by r derivative minus 1 by r square, r derivative with respect to y, dou r by dou y. Here with respect to z, y constant, 1 by r derivative minus 1 by r square, r derivative dou r by dou z. Sigma I bar minus z by r square, dou r by dou y, y by r, minus into minus plus y by r square, dou r by dou z, z by r. Sigma I bar, this is minus yz by r cube plus yz by r cube. Cancel. Sigma 0. Expand sigma means you write 0 3 times. We get 0. Problem 18. If r bar is equal to xi bar plus yj bar plus zk bar and small r not equal to 0, then show that number 1, del 1 by r square is equal to minus 2r bar by r power 4. Number 2, del dot r bar by r square is equal to 1 by r square. Number 3, grad div r bar by r is equal to minus 2r bar by r cube. r bar by r cube. Solution of 1. So we know r bar is xi bar plus yj bar plus zk bar. Small r is mod r bar. Root over, this is a very known procedure. Squaring on both sides. Differentiating partially with respect to x. 2r dou r by dou x. 2x plus 0 need not write. Dou r by dou x is equal to x by r. Similarly, dou r by dou y is equal to y by r. Dou r by dou z is equal to z by r. Del 1 by r square is equal to sigma notation I bar dou by dou x 1 by r square. Sigma I bar 1 by r square derivative minus 2 by r cube. 1 by x derivative minus 2 by x cube. R derivative with respect to x, dou r by dou x. Sigma I bar minus 2 by r cube. Dou r by dou x is x by r. Minus 2 by r power 4 common. Sigma xi bar minus 2 by r power 4 expanding sigma xi bar plus yj bar plus zk bar. This is nothing but minus 2 r bar by r power 4. Hence proved. Second problem, del dot r bar by r square. Del dot xi bar plus yj bar plus zk bar by r square. Del dot x by r square I bar, separating x by r square j bar, z by r square k bar is equal to del dot sigma notation is dou by sigma dou by dou x of divergence as sigma notation. Here we have to write I bar coefficient. I bar coefficient is x by r square. Apply u by v formula. R square v into x derivative 1 minus x into r square derivative 2r r derivative dou r by dou x by v square r square whole square r power 4 sigma r square minus 2xr dou r by dou x is x by r by r power 4. R cancel here. Sigma r square minus 2x square by r power 4. R power 4 is equal to expanding sigma. How to expand? First write this term as it is plus next term instead of x we write y remaining as it is. Next term remaining as it is instead of y write z 2z square by r power 4. So r power 4 LCM r square plus r square 3r square minus 2 common it x square plus y square plus z square is equal to 3r square minus 2r square. This is r square by r power 4 is equal to 3r square minus 2r square by r power 4. 1 by r square. Hence proved. Hence proved. Third bit, homework.